So guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to disable or enable uh, haptics feedback on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, and then go to these three lines up here and then go to the settings. Here you will find accessibility settings, click on it. Now you will find this haptics. So if you wanna enable it, or if you wanna disable it, click on it like this. Disable haptic feedback if you wanna enable it just like this. So that's it. That's how to disable and enable haptic feedback on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.